Hello, English learner. Welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Following up on our last discussion about the habits of rich people, today we are going to distill that wisdom down to the absolute essentials. We are talking about the 8 non-negotiable rules to make money from scratch. These are the fundamental, timeless principles that separate those who struggle financially from those who build lasting wealth. These aren't secrets or get-rich-quick schemes. They are proven, disciplined rules that you can apply regardless of your current income or background. This script is designed to be your financial blueprint, simple, clear, and action-oriented. If you are serious about changing your financial future, internalize these 8 rules and start practicing them today. 1. The core rule. Earn more than you spend. Live below your means. The first rule is the simplest, yet the most powerful foundation of all wealth. You must earn more money than you spend. This creates a surplus, and without a surplus, you cannot save or invest. Most people focus entirely on increasing their income, but the truly wealthy understand that controlling spending is just as important. Lifestyle creep, where your spending grows as fast as your income, is the enemy of this rule. The actionable step. Start by tracking every single dollar you spend for 1 month. Use a simple notebook or a budgeting app. Once you have a clear picture, identify and eliminate expenses that do not bring you true value. Can you cancel 2 streaming subscriptions? Can you cook at home 4 more nights a week? You are not depriving yourself. You are giving yourself a pay raise. The goal is to maximize the gap between your income and your expenses. This gap is your financial freedom fund. 2. The golden rule. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings. The second rule is a mindset shift that reverses the typical financial process. Instead of waiting to see what is left over at the end of the month, you pay yourself first. This means that the moment your paycheck lands in your account, a portion of it is automatically moved into a separate savings or investment account before you pay any bills or spend on anything else. The actionable step. Set up an automatic transfer with your bank. Aim to save and invest at least 10% to 20% of your net income. Treat this transfer like a non-negotiable bill, the most important bill you have. By automating this, you eliminate the need for willpower and ensure that your future financial self is always taken care of. If you have an employer-sponsored retirement plan, make sure you contribute at least enough to get the full employer match. That is essentially free money you cannot afford to leave on the table. 3. The protection rule. Build a non-negotiable emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, unexpected medical bills arrive, or job loss can happen. The third rule is to build and maintain a dedicated emergency fund. This fund is your financial safety net, and its sole purpose is to keep minor setbacks from turning into major, debt-fueled crises. The actionable step. Start small. Aim to save your first $500 to $1,000 as quickly as possible. This covers most small emergencies. Next, work toward saving enough cash to cover 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses, rent, groceries, utilities. Keep this money in a separate, easily accessible, high-yield savings account, not in your investment portfolio, so it is liquid and safe when you need it. This fund is not for a vacation or a new phone. It is for peace of mind, allowing you to avoid high-interest debt when disaster strikes. 4. The debt rule. Attack high-interest debt ruthlessly. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. And the fourth rule is to attack and eliminate high-interest debt ruthlessly. High-interest debt, like credit card debt or personal loans, works against you through the power of compounding interest, making it impossible for your savings to catch up. The actionable step. Focus on paying down the debt with the highest interest rate first. This is often called the debt avalanche method, while still making minimum payments on everything else. Direct every extra dollar you can find towards that highest interest debt. Once that debt is paid off, take the money you are paying and add it to the payment for the next highest interest debt. This snowball effect saves you the most money in interest and speeds up your path to freedom. Think of every dollar paid off as a permanent raise, because you will no longer have to pay interest on it. 5. The value rule. Invest in yourself to increase your earning power. You are your greatest asset. And the 5th rule is to continuously invest in yourself to increase your market value and earning power. Saving is important, but there is a limit to how much you can save. There is virtually no limit to how much you can earn if you continuously improve your skills. The actionable step. Identify the skills that are most valued in your industry or a high-growth field you are interested in. Dedicate time and money to learning these skills. This could mean taking an online course, earning a professional certification, or simply reading books about your field for 30 minutes every day. Improving your human capital, your knowledge and abilities, is the most reliable way to increase your income and create better opportunities for yourself. Remember what we discussed. Rich people prioritize self-education over passive entertainment. 6. The wealth rule. Make your money work harder. Then youth's 6th rule is the secret ingredient that makes wealth grow exponentially. You must invest your money to make it work harder than you do. While your job is crucial for earning money, investing is what allows your money to grow passively through the magic of compound interest. The actionable step, after establishing your emergency fund and paying off high-interest debt. Start investing regularly. You don't need a lot of money to start. Even small, consistent amounts will grow over time. Focus on simple, diversified investments like low-cost index funds or ETFs. The key is to start early and be consistent, allowing time to work its magic. Compound interest is where your returns start earning returns themselves. It's the fastest path to long-term financial independence. 7. The time rule. Embrace the power of compounding. The 7th rule is a deeper dive into the concept we just mentioned. Embrace the power of compounding by starting now. The value of time in investing cannot be overstated. A small amount invested today is worth far more than a large amount invested 10 years from now. The actionable step. Do not wait for the perfect moment or the perfect amount of money. Even if you start with just a few dollars, the most important thing is the habit of investing and the time your money spends in the market. Understand that the difference in returns between someone who starts investing at age 25 and someone who starts at age 35, even if the second person invests more money, is astronomical over a lifetime. Your greatest advantage when you are starting out is time. Use it to your full advantage. 8. The big picture rule. Plan, review, and adjust regularly. Finally, the 8th rule is to regularly plan, review, and adjust your financial life. Money does not manage itself. You need to be the CEO of your own financial life. Wealthy people have systems and schedules for managing their money. The actionable step. Set aside 1 hour every month, I call it Financial Friday, to review your budget. Check your investment balances and assess your progress toward your financial goals. Are you on track to meet your savings target? Do you need to adjust your spending? Have your goals changed? By actively engaging with your money regularly, you prevent small problems from becoming big ones and ensure that your spending habits align with your long-term goals. Conclusion. Your blueprint for financial freedom. These are the 8 rules to make money from scratch. Spend less than you earn. Pay yourself first. Build an emergency fund. Attack high-interest debt. Invest in your skills, make your money work, embrace compounding, and review your plan regularly. Financial success is not about luck. It is about adherence to these simple, powerful rules. The best part is that you can start practicing all of them today. Choose one rule, the one you think will have the biggest impact on your life right now, and commit to mastering it over the next week. Be disciplined, be patient, and watch your financial life transform. If you like this video and are ready to take control of your money, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Mr. English Talks. Hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs this financial blueprint. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.